Every company has room for improvement. At Itemsa, we are specialists in productivity and competitiveness improvement. We deliver significant cost savings for our clients, regardless of their sector, size, or level of organizational maturity. Every company is unique, which is why our projects are fully tailored to each client.
First and foremost, our hands-on experience in applying a wide range of improvement techniques and methodologies, with particular emphasis on NTM, not just as a method, but as a philosophy, allows us to combine them effectively. This enables us to identify and quantify a wide range of small proposals for improvement, which, taken together, maximize operational cost savings.
These improvement proposals are not based in important or significant investments,
but on optimizing the use of existing resources within the organization.
Once all the proposals for improvement have been agreed with the client's technical staff, both teams work together closely to design new processes, methods, and time standards, and to define the conditions required for their effective implementation and standardization. In parallel, the Itemsa team begins preparing and training production personnel.
What truly ensures the success of our projects is our ability to empower our clients' own teams to implement these new processes, methods, and time standards with increasing autonomy, while benefiting from our ongoing guidance and support. Our long-standing experience, both technical and human, underpins our ability to help clients foster a culture of continuous improvement, enabling them to overcome resistance to change and achieve ambitious performance targets, and continue to do so even once the project in charge has been concluded.
The effectiveness of our methodology is supported by A-Productivity, a self-made software developed by Itemsa and continuously updated, incorporating decades of experience across multiple industries and organizations of all sizes, from SMEs to large multinational corporations.
The impact on operational costs is both rapid and measurable. During our engagement, without disrupting day-to-day operations, and within a time frame of just 4 to 8 months, average savings reached 20%. With the cost of the project never exceeding 50% of the savings generated in the first year. Our commitment is backed by our experience. We guarantee these results by aligning our fees with the savings achieved. And these savings continue to accumulate year after year, alongside the adoption of a lasting culture of continuous improvement across the organization.